So, hello friend and hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to download and install Cisco Packet Tracer on Windows step by step. If you are preparing for CCNA or learning networking, this guide is for you. Yeah, please keep watching. Packet tracer installation and how to download and why we can require the packet tracer. What is the packet tracer? Okay, so packet tracer. First of all, we need to know the what is the packet tracer. So packet tracer, what is the packet tracer? So Cisco Packet Tracer is a free comprehensive network simulator and virtualization tool. Okay, it allows student engineers and IT professionals to create virtual network topologies, configure routers and switches, and troubleshoot issue without needing physical hardware. Okay, so that simulator not required the physical hardware devices, and you can use virtualization logical devices here in simulator can help you grow your experience without hardware devices. Okay, how it works? Okay, packet tracer uses a drag and drops interface where you can build network from scratch using simulated servers. Okay, you can install PC, your own PC, and use that simulator. Okay, so first we are going to download. How can we download the packet tracer? I am using any browser. You can use any browser on your system and just type here packet tracer, packet tracer download. Okay, and first link is showing that Cisco Networking Academy, and just click here. It's showing a page, and follow my mouse. I'm going down here and start learning. Here I have so many learning video here, so you can just click here the getting started with Cisco Packet Tracer. After that, click here resume course, and in between you have got okay. So I need to log out here. So I'm seeing that how can you log in here? Okay, I think log out option is here. Log out. Okay, I'm log out here. Okay, then back, going to previous page, and it is I'm doing that so for your better understanding the how can we download that packet as a simulator. Okay, then same thing, get started with selfies. No, I'm going the another back page. Okay, this is, I think this is the new page. Okay, now I'm starting here, getting started with Cisco Packet Tracer. After that, get started with self rest. Okay, now you need to log in here. If you have that existing account here, so you can use that account or you can log in with via Google. So I am going to Google. I have no account, so I can use Google, my Google account. Okay, Google account I have login. If you check my screen, so right side upper, you might showing my name Deepak, and after that you need to click here resume course. Okay, that so many option is the left side. You see you see here. So I am login. I am click anyone. So 1.0 download courses to packet there, sir. After that, you can see the right side one link that for that the to obtain and install your copy of Cisco Packet Tracer. Okay, now click here, and that page is redirected to go to download page. So here are the three options. So first one for the Mac OS, second one for the Linux, another one was the Windows Server. So my system is Windows, so I am going for the Windows. Click on the last one, and they already started the download. So I have already download that exe file. So if you check my screen, so here showing the last one. This one is that my yeah, this one is the my download already installed, so not required again the install. So I am pause this and pause this file. Okay, so I am installing this one. So if you using your own system, so that's okay. Now click OK and launch that installation page. It's taking some time. Yeah, it's coming. Yeah. So this is that Cisco packet tracer 9.9.0 for 64-bit installation page. So I need you need to click just here. The I accept and agreement. Next. Click next. Click next. And create the desktop shortcut. If you require the shortcut on desktop, so you can click here, or you will not required, so click done. Install. So it's going to installation. It's taking some time. So this is a bigger file. Just complete the installation, or few minutes required. Yeah. Now complete the installation packet tracer. So click the finish. Now automatically launch the file. Packet tracer simulator automatically launch. Yeah, automatically come here and take some time for the launching that file. Asking for that. Would you like to run the multi-user when application starts? Yes, click yes. Uh, Cisco packet tracer, try simulator mode to see how packet have through your networks. That means you can see that how the packet is moving from one system to another system. But that is actually easily you can see here in packet as a simulator. he asking for the login. You can log in, just click here. They automatically redirect down the page, and backside you can. Okay, so it's automatically open that packet as a simulator. That is the main first page, and after that you can use the devices like I am using from here. The devices I'm taking, that one devices router 8200 series, and I'm taking that device, and you make that connectivity with that cable connectivity. You can take that cable and connectivity here, and as per your requirement you can use that multiple devices, multiple connectivity, and you can practice your networking skill. Okay, so guys, thank you for watching my video, and we are coming shortly with next networking video. Thank you so much again.